So you're thinking about moving to Jacksonville, Florida? Well, today we're back in Seven Pines. It's a great community, master plan community here on the south side of Jacksonville. We're 15 minutes from the beaches, 10 minutes from UNF, 10 minutes from the St. John's Town Center, and about 15 minutes from downtown Jacksonville. I'm going to walk you through a beautiful, quick move-in home that's available now. It's the Costa Mesa plan by ICI Homes, and you're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. I want to give you a little bit of background on ICI Homes. ICI Homes is one of two builders that was selected to build homes within the master plan community of Seven Pines. This is one stunning example of the type of home that they build. They are a custom builder. They can build you a ground up home, custom build. You pick the lot, you pick the finishings, you pick the plan, all that, they can take care of that for you. They also have quick move-in homes, which is like this model behind me here, which is available now. This is a Costa Mesa plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,672 square feet. It's got a 3-car tandem garage, and want to make sure you know they do build on 60-foot and 70-foot lots. This home is on a 60-foot lot. They do have homes with front entry garages as well as rear entry garages. Let's take a walk through this one right now. So here we are with the Costa Mesa plan. Of course, this home is brick as well as hardy board siding. It's got a really nice front patio here with very high ceilings. Let's go inside. You've got 8-foot door openings here, 12-foot ceilings inside. And you're gonna see some blue tape in here. The blue tape and the green tape is because there's been a walkthrough on this home. And like any home, when it's first built, there are gonna be some imperfections, and that's why they walk through it, so that we can get rid of those imperfections and have this home fine-tuned for its new buyer. Of course, you have these beautiful transom windows up above. This is an office with double doors for the entry. Tray ceilings. Let's take a look to the right here. And this will be bedroom number 1. This is your first bathroom. And they've got a tub shower combination with a niched wall and tile all the way up to the ceiling. Coming into bedroom number 2. And this is set up for can lights. Of course, you saw a smoke alarm and carbon monoxide sensor there. Moving to the right, beautiful hallway. This is the laundry room. And it's pre-plumbed for a laundry sink. Spectacular area here for dining. Incredible open floor plan here. Look at the size of this island. The scale of this is incredible. That's your entry into your garage. There's your water timer for your sprinkler system, electrical panel, and this is for your tandem garage. incredible stacked cabinets here in the kitchen, tiled backsplash, double ovens. This is a natural gas community, so of course you have gas burner stove, beautiful vent-a-hood. Gorgeous sink. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name's Jay Wike. I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, or even if you have a home to sell, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. More transom windows. Look at these sliding glass doors. So each one of these panels opens into the next. So you can have this completely open and enjoy this weather we're about to have upon us here. Again, the blue tape is to point out any defects so that those are eliminated for the new homeowner. This is bathroom number 2, frameless walk-in shower, tile to the ceiling. Bedroom number 3. We have the owner's suite, beautiful tray ceiling, very large windows here for natural light. Double vanities, super-sized large walk-in shower with a bench seat. Rain shower head. And they took advantage of enclosing in this back patio structurally, so you have all of this additional living area to enjoy here in Florida. Of course, you have your natural gas connection there, and you're pre-plumbed for water, hot and cold running water, and your electrical. And of course, if you want to have a mounted television there, you can do so as well. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this beautiful Costa Mesa plan by ICI Homes here in the master plan community of Seven Pines here on the south side of Jacksonville, Florida. Reach out to me if you have any questions about the plan, availability, pricing, lot selections, build time, any of that stuff. Reach out to me. You can always get me through my information, which is in the comments or the description below. And like I always say, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, or even if you have a home to sell, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville, Florida. And until next time, hope to see you around town.